So right now, let's try to do something creative with Gemini. So let's say we want to create images. Yes, I talked about the image creation functionality of Gemini, but at the same time, we could actually create something more like advanced. Let's do something like that. So let me create a gem. Yes, I want to go through the gem route. So let me try to create a gem that can design for us. Yes, so I want to create a gem. So I'll create new gem. I would say graphic designer. So let's create a gem right now, and now we're going to pass instructions to the gems. So how do we do that? So let me just go and get graphic design instructions for creative AI designer. So let's do something like this. I want to see if it will work. I'm just trying it out. So let's see. So let's say to provide effective instruction to creative a graphic designer should focus on detailed prompt that includes subject matter. Yes. Enjoy. Yes. And leverage your design skill. And let's just do something like this. Let's dive deeper into AI mode. So I would say create an instruction for me. So I'll just come back here. It says instructions. So let's see what it says. What are your gems main objective? Create gems main objective and capabilities as a graphic designer using graphic design principles, color psychology, typography as set of instructions to be followed to design greatly. Okay, so let's do something like this. So it says capability and what style of response do you want, and the style of responses should be professional designs in PNG and JPEG. So let's do something like this. Let's see what the results will be. So let's see. So it's going to give us, yes, create gems main objective. Let's see what we have right now. So give me a, so here we have all this, and it says, okay, so here we have all this, and let's see, here are top results for exploring topics. So let's see. So we have this, and we have this, we have this. So let's see what the results will be. And here we are. So providing instructions to a creative designer, and I'm looking for the prompt I just created right now. So create gems, yes, these gems. So let me just copy this, and this will not serve us. So let's use Gemini itself. Let's use Gemini itself. So what I opened all this is because we can actually use this to create an instruction for the gem. But right now, let's come to Gemini and try to create instructions for our gem. So let's see. Let me use this prompt what I created earlier on. So let's see what it brings out for us. So we're going to use Gemini itself to give us instructions for the gem, and after we've created the gem, we'll be able to design. So gems or the guiding elements for a masterful strategy. So let's see, to create designs with strategic visual. Okay, give me set of instructions for my graphic design gem. So let's see what the instruction will be like. So we are going to wait for it to give us instructions for the gem. So let's say phase one, discovery. Okay. So below the master, your request is being answered. We establish the gems manifesto. Okay. So let's see what we have. Phase three. So let's come right here. Phase one. Okay. So let's see. Copy. So you're coming back here. Let's try to create this gem. I'll say you are a professional professional graphic designer, professional graphic designer. Okay, you're a professional graphic designer with the following capabilities. Capabilities. Okay, so let me paste that here. So I just did that. So let's see what we have right now. And I'll say, so they are knowledge here. You can attach documents here. And that's why I opened all this link. So if I wanted to do that, I'll just come here. I'll save all these web pages as PDF. I'll save them as PDF. Then I'll attach them. Yes, it's as simple as that. So let's do that. Let's save them as PDF. And we're going to attach them to the gem. So let's see how that goes. It's just a test. It might work, it might not work. I'm just trying to test it out. So let's see. Let me do the same for this. Let me save this as an attachment. Yes, so I'm going to save this as an attachment as well. That would be two. So let's get another one. I would save this as an attachment as well. So I'll save this as an attachment as well. Yes, so I'm going to have that. Then I'll go ahead to save this as an attachment as well. So I'm going to save it as an attachment as well. Yes, and I'm going to save this as an attachment as well. So that will be the files we're going to attach to the gem we are creating right now. So I'm going to save this particular one as an attachment to. Then I'll come back here. I'll come back to my gem that I'm trying to create. I'll add the knowledge base. So let's see. One, two, three, four, five. So I'm going to attach those. Then we can wait for those to be attached to the gem, and after we have it attached to the gem, we can start prompting and see if we can get better designs with this that we just created. So let's see how this goes. So it's going to add all these basic documents to our gem to just make it knowledgeable about graphic design and all that, because those gems are just about graphic design, and we're going to see how it generates designs for us in this course and see how we can extend the feature of each generating image and how to make it more advanced. And that's what I'm trying to achieve here. So let's see how that goes for us. So this right here would attach the documents, and I'm waiting for that to get attached. So we have one, two, three, four attached. Yes, they are all attached right now. So how good of a designer are you? How good of a designer are you? Okay, so let me just save this right now. Let me send this and let me save it right now. So it's going to analyze this, and as a professional designer, so let me just save the gem right away so we can start using the gem and see if what we did actually worked. So let's start a chat right now. So let's see what we have right here. So we have a graphic designer right here, and let's see how that comes in handy for us. So I want to say I want you to create a professional graphical flyer about Belad Tech Academy. Belad Tech Academy, where you get to learn different tech skill for free. Yes, where you get to learn different tech skill for free. make the design aesthetic, and the call to action should be www.beladtech.com. So let's see the design it brings for us from here. So let's try to do that, and let's see if we get a design. So let's wait for that to design for us. And the other method we used the other time where we got a design and we actually replicated something. Yeah, we can do that as well. But let's see what we get from here right now. So here we have these, and choose a typeface. Yes, yes, yes. So let's see, it just gave us everything we need to know. But let's see, export purpose, the flyer will be exported to. So let's see, final review, deliver the appearance, the compose design is now ready. Okay, so create the design for me, create the design for me. So let's see how that goes for us. Let's see the response it gives us. I wanted to create an image for us. I just really hope it works because that's what I tried to achieve. So let's see, it's generating the image for us. So let's see what the design would look like right now. Look at this design right here. Is this not looking good? It says Belad Tech Academy, unlock your future in tech for free. Belad Tech Academy offers a wide range of free courses. As you could see, so it's created a design for us that way. As you can see, this is a design from the Gemini, this thing that we just did. But right now I want to do something right now. So let's go find a flyer. So let's go to a place like Behance, for instance, where we can see a lot of flyer and all that. So let's go to Behance right away. So me coming to Behance right here, let me look for a flyer right away. So let me just look for something like a flyer. So let's see if we can get a flyer, so we can create something like that. So let's say, yes, these are flyers. There are a lot of flyers right here. So let's say we want to create something like this. Let's do something like this right away. So these are ways you can enhance your capability as a designer as well. So let me just say I want to create something like this. How do I save this? I don't need to save it. All I have to do is to snip it. So I'm a good sniper, so I snip anything I see. So let's see how to snip that right now. So I'm going to come to snip on my laptop. So I'm going to try to snip this right away. I'm going to snip this particular image. So let's try to snip it, and this is me snipping it right there. And let me come back to Gemini right away and say I can use this particular gem I created. So let me upload the file right here and say I want to create a similar design. So let me come to picture. I want to create a similar design. So I want to create a similar design, but I should be able to change the text and images. So let's see what we have right now. And I want to create a similar design, but I should be able to change the text and images. So this would have been a prompt request. We could have asked a prompt. Absolutely, consider it done. Your gems is ready to create highly customized templates, ensuring. So this is what we have. We have the same design right here, and here it is. So we could say, okay, so what we are going to do now, we could change the properties and make it not look the same. So what it did is it gave us this back, but now this is what I wanted to ask for. So I would say give me a prompt to achieve that. Yes, so it's as simple as that. Let's ask for a prompt to achieve it. So we are going to get a prompt in returns. I hope we're going to get a prompt to achieve that. So here is the layout structure, and it gave us everything you need to do to be able to change everything you want to change. So let's do this. Let's just copy the prompt it gave us. So let's copy it right here. So create a modern. So you could change things. So I'll copy this prompt and I could come right here and say I want to use it. So let's use it outside the gem we created, so we can create designs. These are how you can create designs with Gemini. So I'll come right here and I'll say create a modern let's say a modern restaurant flyer design with clean, yes, let's see, restaurant flyer design with clean structured layout optimized for easy test and image placement. So we could start something like this: top header, a prominent dark blue horizontal banner at the top left. Okay, so a prominent red, so we could say red horizontal banner at the top left corner containing the text food by Belad. So we can say food by Belad with modern in a smaller white size font, and say food for the belly, food for the belly in a larger bold sans serif font, e.g. orange or yellow. Okay, so we could take that out. Brand selection, a placeholder for logo tagline. We could just take that brand selection out. Abstract graphics, so we could just create something like, okay, let's take this out as well. Okay, you know what I'll do? I know what to do. So right now, where we got the, so I would say give me a prompt for this. So I would say this style using this style, give me a prompt to achieve. So let's say we want to achieve this, and let's get a prompt right here. So we are going to get a prompt to achieve the modern restaurant flyer design with a clean structured layout. Let's say a prompt to achieve that. So it says layout, create a modern restaurant with clean layouts and all those things. Top header, food by Belad, restaurant logo. So let's see how this pans out for us. So let's copy this prompt right away, and let's have what we want to have. So right now, let me use this outside the gems we created. So right now we have a prompt for creating a flyer. Let's see what we have in return. Like, let's see the image is going to generate for us. So we are going to be able to create a flyer right now using all these techniques. So you can use this particular Gemini as a graphic designer to create something stunning for yourself. So as you could see it right now, look at food by Billard. It's not looking bad as a flyer. So you can do more with this as a graphic designer. As you could see from here, we'll be able to create a flyer which is not looking bad. I could change the text if I want to. So you could say I want a more I want a flyer that is more imagery. I want a flyer that is more imagery. Okay, that is more imagery, that shows, that demonstrates demonstrates someone eating with a border text that says food by Belad. Okay, let the color be a deep red color with a white text font. So we could just create something refinable. Let's see what it refines for us right now. So there are a lot of things you can do. I'm just showing you different techniques you can use to design using Gemini. So let's see what the results will be right now. So here we have food by Billard, food for the belly. Good, good, good. This is a better design. So you could do a whole lot. You could just try different prompts and see how you can go about it. If you add design knowledge, then it will be easier for you to get things like this done. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.